Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn 4 different ways to create a comparison chart in Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we have a list of products with sales from different years. Our goal is to display the comparison using various chart types. Let's get started. In first method, we will create a clustered column chart to compare the sales for 2024 and 2025 side by side for each product. Let's give it a try. Select the full dataset from cell A1 to C11. Go to Insert tab. In the Chart section, select Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. In the drop-down under 2D column, select Clustered Column. Excel instantly creates the chart showing bars for 2024 and 2025 next to each other for every product. Click on the chart title to give it a clear title. Let's name it Sales Performance by Product. And to reduce clutter, click the chart, then select the Charts Element button on the right. Inside the checklist, uncheck the grid lines. And just like that, we now have a clear side-by-side visual comparison of the sales figures for both years. Now let's check out the second method. In the second method, we will use a scattered chart to detect patterns and trends between the 2024 and 2025 sales data. Let's begin. First, select the two columns of numerical data from cell B2 to C11. Go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click on Insert Scatter or Bubble Chart icon. In the drop-down under Scatter, select the scatter. Excel creates a scatter plot where each points represent a product. Now click the chart and select Chart Element button on the right. Here, you can add or remove elements like grid lines, labels, or a trend line by checking or unchecking the option. Here, I will uncheck the grid lines. And there you have it. This scatter chart helps us to see the correlation between 2 years' sales for each product. Now let's explore the third method. In the third method, we will create a combo chart that uses different visual styles like columns and a line to compare the 2 years. Here's how to do it. First, select the full dataset from cell A1 to C11. Go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click the Insert Combo Chart button and select the second one, which is the clustered column line on secondary axis. Excel will create a chart with one year shown as columns and the other one as a line, making it easy to compare values and trends. And just like the previous method, you can use the Chart Element button to format the chart to your desire. And that's it. The combo chart now offers a clear way to highlight differences between the two data series. On to the final method. In fourth method, we will use a pivot table to summarize the data and then create a line chart for a trend comparison. Let's jump right in. First, select the full dataset from cell A1 to C11. Now go to the Insert tab. In Table section, click on Pivot Table drop-down. From the drop-down, select from Table/Range. This opens up Pivot Table from Table or Range dialog box. Under Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed, make sure it's New Worksheet. Then press OK. Now we move to a new worksheet. On the right side in the Pivot Table Fields panel, click and hold the product field and drag it to rows. And for the sales 2024 and 2025, drag them to the values field. The pivot table will now show the total sales for each product for both years, as you can see here. Now, to create a line chart, click anywhere inside the newly created pivot table. Next, go to Insert tab. In the Chart section, click on Insert Line or Area Chart icon. Under 2D Line, select this option, which is Line with Markers. As you can see, we have successfully used the pivot table to summarize our data and create a line chart for an effective high-level comparison. And there you have it. 4 different ways to create a comparison chart in Excel, from a simple column chart to a pivot table driven line chart. Download the workbook linked below. Visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.